The night mathematics learned to speak in symbols, it happened quietly, no explosion, no applause. Just a man staring at letters on a page and daring to let them mean the unknown. France, 1591. Candlelight trembles against stone walls. Outside, Europe is loud with war and religion, but inside a study, silence presses heavy. For centuries, mathematics has spoken in sentences, long, clumsy, fragile sentences. Every problem explained with words. Every solution trapped in prose. Numbers could be named, but the unknown had no face. François Viète feels this tension every time his quill scratches parchment. He is a lawyer, a royal advisor, a codebreaker for kings, but at night he wrestles with something older than politics, equations that collapse under their own weight, problems so tangled they vanish in language before they can be solved. Here's the mystery he can't escape. How do you solve what you cannot yet name? Midway through the story, the world shifts. Viète makes a decision so simple it feels dangerous. He assigns letters to quantities, not just to known numbers, but to the unknown itself. Vowels for what we seek, consonants for what we know, a quiet rebellion against centuries of tradition. Suddenly, mathematics stops narrating and starts revealing. An equation no longer tells a story. It becomes a structure. Something you can move through, manipulate, transform. Problems that once took pages now unfold in a handful of symbols. The unknown no longer hides. It waits, marked, visible, vulnerable. This is the escalation moment, the spark. Algebra stops being arithmetic's shadow and becomes its own language, one that can travel forward in time, one that doesn't care who speaks it or what tongue they use. Viète likely didn't realize what he had unleashed, but history did. Because once symbols exist, imagination accelerates. Descartes draws geometry into algebra. Newton and Leibniz bend symbols into calculus. Equations begin to describe motion, gravity, time itself. Science gains a spine. Technology gains a grammar. And it all traces back to that quiet decision to let letters stand in for the unknown. The emotional truth lingers here. Progress doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers. Sometimes it's a man alone, choosing clarity over tradition, symbols over sentences. That moment, when mathematics became symbolic, was the moment humanity learned how to think beyond what it could see. If this story sparked something in you, take a second to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with the idea that changed how you see the world, and help this channel keep uncovering the quiet moments that reshaped history.